Guys, we got a 99 Jeep Wrangler 4.0. What we're gonna do is we're gonna replace the belt. This guy is in little trouble because we got the fan shroud and we got this clutch fan here, so it's a different story than any other Jeep. So what we got here is a tensioner right here, so you're gonna need a breaker bar, half-inch drive here. You put that in, pull the tensioner, make sure you draw the diagram of the belt. So this one pretty much goes around the crank down there, and then it comes back around the pump, and it comes back around this pulley here. It goes around this way, and it goes up. And let me show you the other side. And it comes back up to this water pump. Power steering pump. And it goes around the crank, and it goes back up and around the water pump and down to the crank. That's how simple it is. Hard to see, but there you go. Okay, got me a breaker bar. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna show you guys how to pull this little guy. So this fan is gonna be a little bit of trouble. So I'm gonna get this breaker bar onto that, and then we're gonna yank this baby. And you can probably just get it from this side here. It's much easier once you get that on there. You see that? Look how simple that is. And with the one hand you can hold it and pull off the belt with the other hand. But since I got a camera in my hand, I'm gonna have to let go of something. So pretty much I'll probably put my camera on this air filter here. Okay, so pretty much got this baby yanked up, and I'm gonna just take the belt off. So take it off this idler pulley here, and you're gonna release this back. Just make sure you don't damage the AC line here. And the belt simply just comes off. I'm gonna grab the camera and remove the belt. So the belt is ready to come off. Every single pulley should come off very simple and easy. And let's see if I get this side off. And it doesn't go around the fan, okay? It does not go around the fan, so you don't need to go crazy. It just goes over above the water pump, and then it goes around the crank pulley, and that's the hardest part, the crank pulley. So this is pretty much out. And on the crank pulley, you can put your hand from right down here and get this baby off. And I can just pull it up. Okay, gotta go back and forth. Gonna have to go back and forth a bit. And there's not a lot of clearance between the fan and the harmonic balancer, which is a crank pulley. And there's our belt. Usually this will squeak over time, and it would make squeaking noise on a windy, on a rainy day or wet, cold weather. And there's your belt on this baby. So here's our new belt, and what we're gonna do is first we're gonna get it onto the crank. And after that, everything just comes up and it goes as it is, okay? So once I have the belt rerouted, I will show you pull the tensioner and put the belt on. Okay, so I got the belt on. You could get the crank pulley right from the bottom, just go underneath. You could see it right there. Just send the belt in first from that side. So what I did was I sent the belt in first. I put it around the crank. I put it around this pulley, and I put it around this pulley. I left this, I was talking about this pulley on the alternator, but I left this one out. And then I went around. I realized the hardest part here was to get to the AC compressor down there. So I yanked this reservoir that was sitting here. I yanked it up and put the belt there. Belt is nice and good everywhere. So all I need to do here is smack the belt on. Bada bing, bada boom. We're all done. All I need to do is pull the tensioner and slip the belt onto that idler pulley. Here goes nothing. So I'm gonna put my hand right here. You guys probably can't see it so good. Pull on this tensioner, and as long as the belt is good everywhere, it should just slip right on, and the tensioner tool should come off. And after that, you want to double check your belt, make sure it's good on all the grooves and pulleys. We're gonna go down in the bottom. Just a minute. I'm gonna go in the bottom, show you guys exactly what I'm talking about down there. Anyways, the belt is good here. Belt is routed good. Make sure the routing is good. Make sure the crank is good in the bottom. Let's come around here. Make sure the belt is good on this, on the AC compressor, water pump, and in the bottom, this is how simple it is. You get on your stool here, you look down here, you can see the whole belt and everything right from down here. Very good, nice and good. Bada bing, bada boom. We're all done here. And what we're gonna do here is we just need to, so this belt was squeaking on a cold, wet, rainy day. So pretty much this guy goes in, which manner does it go? It goes in this way. So pretty much this little guy slips on just like that, and it shouldn't move. In the bottom there's another groove all the way in the bottom, just like the top one. So make sure both are lined. Bada bing, bada boom, you're all set to go. And that's how you're gonna replace the belt on this guy. 30 minutes maximum. Belt is $55. If you get it cheaper than that, good. Thank you for watching.